How to travel with a pet on Southwest Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can travel with a pet on Southwest Airlines, and here is how to go about it. So to travel with a pet is very simple. Just open your web browser, all right, and then type out the question or the statement Southwest Airlines pet policy. All right, Southwest Airlines pet policy. And once you've done that, you can see the pet policy being displayed here. This is for you to check out the policy to know what you need to know before you can go along with your pet, or even if your pet is allowed on the trip that you are about to take. So once the policy has been displayed, you can see the write up here. So ensure you read through all of this and then you understand all of this. And then once you understand this and you're sure of your status, if your pet can go with you or not, the next thing to do is to get in touch with the customer support by clicking on the need more assistance button. After clicking on this, you can see we will call you. You can see the number that you have to call. So call this number and then tell them that you would like to travel with your pet. So all of the questions displayed there will be asked: the weight of the pet, the kind of pet it is, and all of that. Ensure you answer them, and then you provide the required information, and then a reservation will be made for you. So while booking your flight, and this is when you've logged into your account. While booking your flight, ensure you include it that you have a pet, because it should be asked when you are at the checkout position or under your baggage position. You would be asked if you have a pet. Ensure you include it and everything would be sorted out. So this is how you can travel with a pet on Southwest Airlines. First of all, ensure you are acquainted with the policy so you can know what to do. Thanks for watching and have a good day.